Hey everyone, I'm Danny and welcome to Muggle Magic. In this video, I'll be comparing the Harry Potter brand Bertie Bott's Every Flavor beans. This is the official stuff, and then there's also this BeanBoozled. I don't know if this was a knockoff of the Bertie Bott's beans or if this was around before. I'm guessing it's a knockoff. But yeah, you can buy this pretty much anywhere. We've got BeanBoozled versus Bertie Bott's. Let's see which is better. First, let's take a look at the packaging. So BeanBoozled looks like this. It's very colorful. And on the back, it shows you which beans are flavored, which flavor. And this one actually has one flavor, or actually two flavors per color of jelly beans, so you're not sure which of the two you're getting. One of them's bad, one of them's good. And then the Bertie Bott's box looks like this, and the back of it tells you what flavor you get here, and these are all one flavor. You don't get two flavors with this. And then when we open them up, so the BeanBoozled ones look like this. They're just, all mixed up right here. On the inside, it again tells you what the flavors are over here. And this one comes with a little spinner, so you can just, spin the arrow, and whatever flavor it lands on, that's what you're gonna eat. And again, you have there's like a 50-50 chance you're gonna get something nasty. And then the Harry Potter ones, when we open this up, here they are. They all come separately, so you know what you get. And the inside of the box also has all the different flavors on here. So yeah, with Harry Potter, you get earwax, dirt, booger, earthworm, black pepper, vomit, soap, sausage, rotten egg, and grass. None of that sounds appealing. I would never eat any of these flavors by choice. But I'm going to eat one of each of these just so that I can let you know how it tastes. BeanBoozled comes with stink bug or toasted marshmallow, dirty dishwater or birthday cake, rotten egg or buttered popcorn, toothpaste or blueberry, barf or peach, canned dog food or chocolate pudding, booger or juicy pear, spoiled milk or coconut, stinky socks or tutti frutti, and dead fish or strawberry banana smoothie. I would eat 50% of these, but let's see what they have in common flavor-wise. We have rotten egg. They don't have rotten egg. Let's see. Oh wait, they do. So they both have rotten egg. So I'm gonna try a rotten egg out of each one. Oh God, I don't wanna do this, but I'm gonna try a rotten egg out of each one and compare them and let you know which one tastes worse. So let's go with Bertie Bott's first. Here we go. Bertie Bott's rotten egg jelly bean. Oh God. It almost tastes like broccoli, but I like broccoli. There's something like, it tastes like bad broccoli. Like soggy broccoli that's just kind of sat for a couple of hours and it's cold. I'm gonna swallow it. Oh God, that was bad. Okay. I didn't bring like a drink. I don't have water or anything. That was stupid. Okay, let's go for rotten egg in here as well. It's very close to the same color. So it's also kind of a yellowish color. Now this could be buttered popcorn. I'm hoping for buttered popcorn just to get this taste out of my mouth. But even if it is buttered popcorn, I'm gonna go in for another one until I get rotten egg because I need to know. Nope. I can't tell because I have such a bad taste in my mouth already. So I'm gonna eat another one just to see. Okay, no, this one's buttered popcorn. The last one was not. It tasted like an egg, sort of, but like, it still had sort of a broccoli taste to it, like an old nasty broccoli taste, but also had a little bit of an egg taste, and it was more salty than than Bertie Bott's, but I'll say Bertie Bott's tasted much worse. Okay, next, let's see. Do they have another one? They have booger. They both have booger. And they basically look the same. BeanBoozled might have a little bit more, it has more spots on it, but they pretty much look the same. So let's go with Harry Potter first again. Booger. That's interesting. It doesn't taste good. Of course it doesn't taste good. It's boogers. Okay. I don't know what boogers taste like, but I mean, this just didn't taste good. The closest thing I can compare the taste of this to, the flavor of this, is like back in like the mid 90s when Ren and Stimpy was really popular, there were these like scratch and sniff Ren and Stimpy stickers, and they had a booger one, they had like a kitty litter one and all this other crazy stuff. That tastes like the scratch and sniff boogers smelled. Okay, now let's try this one. It's either booger or juicy pear. Juicy pear. Please be juicy pear. Nope, that's booger. This one just tastes odd. It doesn't taste like the scratch and sniff stuff like that I just mentioned. It just tastes weird. Not necessarily bad, but not good either. It's just like, nah, why did I put this in my mouth? Okay. What else have we got? Okay, so it doesn't look like, oh wait, they have barf and vomit, so I guess I'm gonna have to try that. But other than barf and vomit, they don't have any other similarities. So let's do barf and vomit. So this orange one with the red that almost looks like blood is the barf and vomit. And yeah, the colors are basically exactly the same between the two, so you wouldn't be able to tell the difference. Again, Bertie Bott's first, vomit. Isn't this what like Dumbledore, like when after he ate this, he swore off Bertie Bott's? Wasn't it vomit? Okay, here we go. Oh. Oh. Oh my God, no. Oh. I'm not, oh. No, I'm sorry, but I cannot swallow that. I didn't want that in my mouth for another second. Okay. Oh my God. It tastes like throw up. Like literally, it tastes like throw up. Okay. God, I don't want to do this again. I hope theirs isn't as bad. Ah! No. No, no, no. Don't put the vomit one in your mouth. No. Okay. Let's do an easy one next. There's no more similarities, so I'm just gonna do Bertie Bott's and tell you how they taste. So the next one I'm gonna do is grass. That one doesn't sound so bad. Let me just do some freshly cut grass. I mean, I like salads, so. You know, it tastes like grass. It also has sort of a fruity taste to it too. The grass isn't bad. If a friend is trying to force you to eat one of these, choose grass. Wait, sausage doesn't sound so bad either. Let's try sausage. Here we go. We've got sausage right here. It's like, maybe more like a kielbasa. Okay, I'm gonna go for dirt next. I mean, I guess it kind of tastes like the smell of dirt, but then it's also not bad. Like, I didn't want to spit, I wanted to spit it out, but like, I didn't feel the need to spit that one out. Okay, let's do black pepper. Ooh, tastes like pepper. Kind of spicy. Oh, pretty spicy. I think they actually just put pepper in it. But then it's also almost, I should have got water. It's also almost like licorice, but like really spicy, peppery licorice. Okay. Ooh. Earthworm. Ew. What the heck? Ew. I don't know what an earthworm's supposed to taste like, but that doesn't taste good. Okay, what else do I have left? Earwax. After that black pepper, everything's just spicy. Earwax doesn't taste like you would think. It's actually got... It actually has a flavor to it that's not horrible. I doubt this is what real earwax tastes like because I'd be spitting it out right now. And the last thing I'm going to eat is soap because I need to wash that out of my mouth. My hope is that this is just so strongly like soap, I'll just feel fresh. It tastes exactly like soap. Like if you've ever gotten soap in your mouth in the shower, or like shampoo or something from your hair, shampoo bubbles, ever gotten in your mouth or whatever. Tastes like that. And yeah, it is refreshing. So if you do this, I would save either soap or pepper for last. If you save pepper for last, that's just gonna kill everything. I don't know how many jelly beans I can eat. Okay, I'm going for it. So stink bug or toasted marshmallow. So here it is. It might be toasted marshmallow, it might be stink bug. Oh. It's stink bug. Oh my God. That tastes like a skunk smells. Oh, that was worse than vomit. That was, oh my God. Oh, ugh. Not doing that again. Not ever doing that again. Okay, what are we gonna do next? Already did rotten egg, already did barf, already did booger. Okay, stinky socks or tutti frutti. Do I have one? Do I have a stinky? Yep, there's a stinky socks or tutti frutti. You can't really think about these. You just have to toss them in your mouth. But I don't know if that's the right one. I think it is. This one's tutti frutti. It tastes just like bubble gum. Thank you. I think that's the only one I had in there of that color. So let's move on to, what is that, dead fish? I'm looking for dead fish, but I'm not finding it. This might be it. It's either dead fish or a strawberry banana smoothie. Ew. It's the fish. It tastes, oh. It tastes like if you opened up a can of tuna and then you let it sit for 3 days and then like blended it up with some water and tried to like drink it. Oh God, that was bad. I don't know if I can do this. No, I'm going to do this. Okay, spoiled milk. That's these white ones. It's either spoiled milk or coconut. I hope it's coconut. After that dead fish. It's coconut. Okay, here's another white one. So maybe this one will be spoiled milk. There's only 2 more to go after this. Okay, here we go. Spoiled milk. Yep. Huh. Oh. Did they actually spoil milk and like magic it into like a jelly bean form? It tastes like milk. Oh, curdled milk, like what that smells like. If you've ever smelled bad milk, it tastes exactly the same. Son of a... Okay, I'm doing this for you guys, so you better appreciate this. This is canned dog food or chocolate pudding. It's the dog food. It just kind of tastes like meat, but like not good meat and not bad meat either. It's just like meat. Okay, this next one is toothpaste, or it could be blueberry or berry blue. Toothpaste or berry blue. This one isn't so bad. That's berry blue. And this one's toothpaste. Yeah, this one's not bad. Like, I like the taste of toothpaste because it makes you feel, your mouth feel fresh and taste fresh. So yeah, berry blue or toothpaste, it's not a bad one. They could have come up with something better than that. This next one is either dirty dishwater or birthday cake. So you're either like at the party or doing cleanup. This is dishwater. It's weird. It tastes like soap and paper and like potato skins or something. So here's the next one. And I hope this is birthday cake and not another dirty dishwater. It's birthday cake. Okay. That is it. Who wins? I mean, they're both pretty bad. If you're looking for something that just tastes really bad, go for Bertie Bott's. But if you like the idea of having like either a good or a bad, and it's like a 50-50 chance, go for BeanBoozled. And it, like I said, it also comes with this spinner, so you could have a lot of fun spinning this and trying a color with friends and being unable to know whether it's going to be good or not. That was actually really fun. So I would say, for me, I like the fun aspect of BeanBoozled more than just buying a box of Bertie Bott's and eating a bunch of nasty flavors. I don't think that Bertie Bott's is always just nasty flavors, and that's what they did here. They could have put some good flavors in there too, just to have them. But yeah, there we go. Let me know if you have tried either of these brands and which one you liked the best, and let me know if you have like a funny story about using BeanBoozled and getting a bad flavor or something. And yeah, that's it. So hopefully if you're gonna be throwing a Harry Potter party and you can't decide, I hope this video helped you decide which one you're gonna buy. Remember, I get a lot of ideas for these DIYs that I do from your comments. So if you have an idea for something that you want to see me do in the future, definitely leave a comment below and let me know. If you're interested in seeing more DIY videos having to do with Harry Potter and more, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. All right, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.